Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Enable developer options only if a setting is hidden, but usually you can skip that. Open Settings, go to Display and locate Floating Window or Smart Panel. This is where Tecno groups multi-window controls. Once there, make sure the app you plan to float is visible on the home screen or in the app drawer so you can add it quickly. This reduces friction when we trigger the floating mode in the next step. You now open the app you want to float and bring up the Recent Apps screen with the square or swipe gesture. Tap the app icon at the top of its card and select Open in Floating Window, or use the floating window icon if visible. This creates a resizable overlay. Make sure to drag corners to resize and hold the title bar to reposition. Doing this explains why moving and resizing are separate controls and gives you precise layout control. You finish by arranging the floating window where it doesn't block essential UI. Use the window controls to switch to split screen or full screen if required. Make sure to pin the window when you want it persistent across tasks and close it via its menu when done. If the floating window fails to appear, reboot the phone first. If that doesn't help, clear the app cache or check permission settings. These steps resolve most conflicts caused by background restrictions or corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.